Cumin, cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon, clove, peppercorn, mace, javitri, mutton, onion, tomato, grated beetroot, dry fenugreek, garlic, chilli, ginger, salt, paprika, turmeric, coriander powder, chili flakes, curry powder, roasted roasted cumin powder. Okay, into add mutton. After 3 minutes, you're going to add all the dry spices.
Make sure to reduce the heat so that the dry spices won't get burned.
And of course, bay leaves.
Let's check after 2 minutes on slow heat.
We're going to add garlic, ginger, some salt, and after 3 minutes now we're gonna add some salt, coriander powder, turmeric, paprika,
some more salt,
chili flakes, green chili, some curry powder, cumin powder, some fenugreek, sprinkle some water. Cooking after 4 minutes on medium heat. Now we're gonna add onion, salt,
cover it and make sure to keep stirring it after a while.
Okay, let it cook another 5-7 minutes. Then we're gonna add water.
Let's add some water. Put the lid on and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. So now we're gonna add tomato and the grated beetroot. All together mix it well. Over the medium flame, I'm gonna let it simmer another 7 to 9 minutes. At the end, I'm gonna add pinch of dry vinegar and pinch of curry powder. Then some fresh lemon juice, green chilli and cilantro. Turn off the flame and it's ready to serve.